Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file dormant accounts. A dormant account is essentially a financial account, like a bank account or investment, that has seen no activity for an extended period, typically several years. This inactivity can lead to restrictions on certain features, such as online banking or ATM withdrawals. Eventually, these funds might be transferred to your state's treasury through a process called escheatment. Identifying a dormant account is the first step. You can typically check your account status by logging into your bank's mobile app or online banking portal. If you're unsure, contacting customer service is always a good idea. Generally, an account might be considered inactive after 12 months and then dormant after 24 months of no customer-initiated transactions. Financial institutions are usually required to try and contact you before an account becomes fully dormant. Reactivating a dormant account is often a straightforward process. In most cases, you will need to visit your bank in person. Bring a photo ID, like an Aadhaar card or passport, and proof of address. You'll submit a written request, sometimes on a pre-printed form from the bank. After verification, making at least one financial transaction, such as a deposit or withdrawal, will typically reactivate your account. To prevent your accounts from becoming dormant again, it's crucial to regularly monitor them and perform at least one transaction periodically. This could be a small deposit, withdrawal, or even setting up an automatic bill payment. Always ensure your contact information, including your mailing address and phone number, is current with your financial institutions. And for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other great deals. Staying proactive with your finances helps avoid future dormancy hassles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.